You are with ProjectHowTo, and today I'm gonna show you a level 2 arms workout from the series Workouts for Every Level of Preparedness. This workout is a very good progression from the previous level 1 arms workout. The workout will consist of 5 exercises. Each will last a minute, followed by 10 seconds rest. The first exercise is dips. Get the timers ready and 3, 2, 1.
Perfect.
Okay, and the next exercise is biceps curls. So we're gonna get a backpack. I've put some weight in the backpack and make sure when you go at the top, you turn your small fingers towards you. Okay, we're gonna leave the backpack now and we're gonna do one arm triceps extensions. So we're gonna be on our knees. Okay, shake your arms, get a little rest, and we're gonna do kneeling diamond push-ups. All right. Those were the 5 exercises that made up my intermediate level arms workout. What you're gonna do after the 5th exercise is rest for 30 seconds and then repeat all 5 exercises for another 4 rounds. And that was from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!